What up, Lizard Gang? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not, how's it hanging, Lizard Gang? I've been waiting on you guys. So we're back on 27th Avenue. We on 27th Avenue in Camelback right now. I see some snow bunnies earlier. So we're gonna go out here. We're gonna try to find them. And I'm gonna bring you that good footage and show everybody how it's done. All right, man, I'll get back to you guys right now. Oh, real quick, Lizard Gang. If you guys want to know what kind of cameras or equipment I'm using, the description is going to be down below on the description. And you can see what kind of cameras I'm using. Also, I'm about to launch my merch. I'm about to get all my merch out there. So, yeah, man, just be on the lookout for that. And let's go get these lizards. Check out the snow bunny, guys. That one's about to get swooped for sure. You hear all the honking? That ain't because of the lizard hunter. Is that the guy that shot Ricky on Boys in the Hood? That's him. I for getting the hook up. Even the Lotero man's getting some action. Oh, but I don't have the money. What can I possibly do to pay you? Can you guys imagine that? Oh, well, I forgot my wallet. What can I do to repay you? I had good footage earlier, man, but I don't know what happened to it. Like I was saying, Lizard Gang, my bad. Let's get some more though. It's all gravy. Traffic is crazy out here. One right there, one right there. Number 1, number 2, Lizard Gang. Let me know. Doing the mating call. There you go. Somebody honked, she got scared. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There we go. Uh-oh, she's coming in. Alright, Lizard Gang, so that was just a quick video of the Blade 27th Ave. If you guys like my content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll keep on making these videos for you guys. I'm gonna be hitting up some different cities, different towns pretty soon, so just keep your eyes open, and I'll be back. Check it out. I'm gonna have to, before I take off, check it out. It's coming. I feel it. Chicano U-turn, homie. Woo! What's cracking? Look at this. What do we have here? Well, what do we have here, Lizard Gang? There you guys go. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.